10th Mathematics Practice and Learn Daily. Word Problems on Quadratic Equations. Session 5. Word Problems on Speed and Time. Example: in a flight of 2800 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed is reduced by 100 km per hour and time of flight increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration of the flight. Solution: let original speed or duration is equal to x km per hour. Time taken to cover 2800 km is equal to distance travelled divided by speed, that is 2800 divided by x. Reduced speed is reduced, that is equal to x minus 100 km per hour. Time taken to cover 2800 km at this speed means x minus 100 km per hour speed, that is equal to distance travelled is same, that is 2800 divided by x minus 100, increased by 30 minutes. So that is given increased by 30 minutes, that is equal to 30 divided by 60. I have to convert that minutes into hour. 30 divided by 60, that is nothing but half hour. 30 minutes means half hour. So it implies 2800 divided by x minus 100 minus 2800 divided by x, that is equal to 1 by 2. So I don't want denominator. In the denominator x minus 100 is there, x is there, 2 is there. So multiply throughout by 2 into x minus 100 into x. It implies if I multiply the first fraction 2800 divided by x minus 100 multiplied throughout by 2 into x minus 100 into x, so x minus 100 and x minus 100 are cancelled. We left 2800 into 2 into x minus, and for second one, so x cancel, 2800 into 2 into x minus 100, that's again equal to, so here 2 cancelled, here only x into x minus 100. So if I multiply 2800 into 2, I got 5600x minus 5600x minus minus plus, I got plus 5600 into 100, that is 5,60,000, that's equal to, if I multiply x into x, that is x square minus 100x. So the same terms and different sign, 5600x, 5600x minus 5600x cancelled. So I got, it implies, so x square minus 100x minus 5,60,000 is equal to 0. I got a quadratic equation. So product of extremes, x square coefficient is 1, last constant term is minus 5,60,000, so minus 5,60,000 is the product of extremes. Sum means the coefficient of x is minus 100. So if I multiply, I got 5,000 minus 5,60,000. If I add, I must got minus 500. 56 means 7 8 I will write. So 700 into 800, 7 8 56, there are 4 zeros. So I want the minus sign, therefore I have to put the minus for the biggest one, that is minus. Coefficient of x is 1, x square is 1, then again coefficient of x square is 1. So it implies our factors are x plus 700 in another bracket x minus 800, that is equal to 0. So it again implies x is equal to minus 700 or x equal to 800. We will not take minus 700 as the speed. So therefore original duration or original speed is equal to 800 km per hour. So this is the solution for our problem. Now practice questions. An aeroplane left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away in time, it had to increase its speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speed. Determine its usual speed, that is 1500 divided by x minus 1500 divided by x plus 250, that is equal to 30 minutes means half you have to write. A bus travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 75 km and then travels a distance of 90 km at an average speed of 10 km per hour more than its first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, find its original speed. 75 divided by x again plus 90 divided by x plus 10 is equal to 3. So you have to solve the equation. Next, if a man walks 1 km per hour faster than his usual speed, then he covers a distance of 3 km in 15 minutes. Less time, find the usual speed. So here again 15 minutes is given. 15 divided by 60, that is 1 by 4 hour. A motorboat whose speed in still water is 24 km per hour takes 1 hour more to go 32 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Downstream means you have to add x plus 24. Upstream means x minus 24. So a sailor can row a boat of 8 km downstream and return back to the starting point in 1 hour 40 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour, find the speed of the boat. That is x plus 2 and x minus 2 I have to take. That is 8 divided by x plus 2 plus 8 divided by x minus 2. Thank you.